Okay, we're doing a new chapter. This time we're working with two or more linear equations. 4-1, solving system equations by graphing. Let's look at this ordeal real quick. It's pretty simple. Write an equation. Well, let's look at the situation actually. Let's look at the top. Juan and Leo were supposed to meet and drive ATVs on a trail together. Juan is late, so Leo started without him. Write an equation for Leo's distance. Trail's 40 miles long. He travels 12 miles an hour. Well, what we could do, it's basically every hour he travels 12. So for X miles or X hours, it's 12 times X equals Y. Voila. How about equation for Juan's distance from the starting point if he starts 8 hours after Leo? Well, he travels 15 an hour, but then we're going to add that with H. That's equal to Y. There you go. We're going to skip part C. We'll do part B. Suppose H equals 1. How can you use graphs of the two equations to determine who finishes? Basically, graph. And then we're going to find intersecting points. That's important because wherever two graphs intersect, that's where the solution is. Okay? We're going to be talking about how we can find the answers to two or more equations when we graph them. And we're going to work with linear equations. Look at example 1. What's the solution to this system? Well, bing, bang, boom. We graph both equations. Appropriate. Notice how they cross right there. When x is -4, the answer is -4. Bing, bang, boom. Guess what you can use? You can use good old Desmos to get this done. So you can find out easily where they intersect. I'll even be nice and let you guys use Desmos just as long as you know how to do it. Okay? So let's take a look here. 1/2 x minus 2, okay? There we go. And then 3x minus 7. Voila. Boom. 2, -1. Boom. There's your answer. It's that simple. Even if we work with these right here, 2x plus 10, -1/4 x plus 1, okay? 2x plus 10, and then -1/4 x, oops, 2x plus 10, and then -1/4 x plus 1. Boom! Right there, -4, 2. Bing, bang, boom, you got it. Okay? However, that's the quick way to do it. We're going to focus more or less on this ordeal, okay? So same idea. What's the answer to each system of equations? Keep this in mind. We can graph both of them. Notice how they're the exact same line. If we were to graph both of them, boom, it's infinitely many solutions. If they don't ever cross like these two equations, therefore it's no solution. Let's prove it here. Y equals 1/2 x plus 7. Let's do it real quick. Okay, boom. 1/2 x plus 7. And then for the other one, that'll be 4x minus 8y equals 12. So 4x minus 8y equals 12. Boom, they never cross, so they're parallel. Okay, look at the next one. 3x plus 2y equals 9. Okay, and then the other one, bing, bang, boom, 2/3 y equals 3 minus x. Okay, y equals 3 minus x. Notice how they're the exact same line. Boom, it's infinite. That's simple. It's that simple. Okay, this example. Now we're going to deal with word problems. Monisha and Holly have 14 more days to finish reading the same novel for class. Monisha plans to read 9 pages each day, while Holly plans to read 20 pages each day. Assuming Holly and Monisha both maintain their reading plans, when will Holly catch up with Monisha? Okay, well, remember, the answer is the total pages, 96 plus 9x, 6 plus 20x. There's your two equations, graph them both, boom, there you go. Round it up, it's about 170, okay? So now let's change it up. Suppose Monisha reads now 10 pages each day instead. So that's 6, or that 20, oh, sorry, that 9 changes to 10. So here we go. 96 plus 10x. 96 plus 10x, okay? And then it would be 6 plus 20x. And then notice we have to find out where they both intersect. It's gonna take a while, it looks like. Well, actually, let me double check it. Let me just see if we did type it in correctly. 6 plus 26, 96 plus 9x. Well, we know that 96 is somewhere up here. Okay, bang, bang, we gotta keep going, 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 boom, right there, right there. After 9 days, they're gonna read 100, they're gonna be at page 186, okay? From both, so it's after 9 days, okay? After 9 days, okay, they will be at page 186. That's part A. Now part B, if you notice, will Holly still finish the novel first? Okay, let's take a look at both lines here. Okay, Holly was the 6 plus 20x. Okay, and if you notice that Holly, as a matter of fact, goes above the Monisha line. So therefore, because she's actually past Monisha's line, she will still finish first, believe it or not. Okay, last one here. Same thing, basically, approximately, just kind of estimate. Just graph them both, bing, bing, boom, there you go. Let's graph these real quick. 5x minus 4, negative 6x plus 14. So 5x minus 4, okay? And then negative 6x plus 14. Notice how they don't show because I got to zoom out and then find where they both cross. Bing, 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 right there. 1.636, 4.182. This is not a hard lesson. In fact, I'll let you guys even use Desmos, but there will be word problems. So keep that in mind for sure. Use Desmos, graph them, bing, bang, boom, you got it. No questions, good. All right, good luck. 4-2 coming up.